Hey there, YouTube family. Grab a coffee and let's chat about how YouTube's about to shake things up with monetization this November. Wait, that's next month. What am I gonna do? Don't panic, don't panic. We got you. If you are a new YouTuber, you know the ones that are still struggling to create content, not you chat GPT wizards or video editor wizards creating 1,000 shorts in 5 minutes. Really 1,000 shorts in 5 minutes. I really saw that while browsing YouTube. Come on, I can't be the only one. Okay, now back to why you clicked on this awesome thumbnail. Oh no, YouTube is making changes. It's time to pull my hair out again. Not to worry, we'll be here to guide you through the upcoming changes. The video giant is tweaking its monetization dynamics this next month, and every content creator, big or small, needs to gear up for this change. So remember the days when you decide which ads pop up during your videos? Pre-roll, post-roll, interrupt the video in the middle with a skippable one. Non-skippable. You are the captain of your ad ship.
I'm the captain now.
Wait, one more time.
I'm the captain now.
Don't judge me, but I love that scene. I think that guy won an Oscar or something. So yes, you ran the show, you had the controls, but with control came ad confusion. I mean, it was like picking toppings for a pizza, right? Do I want beef pepperoni sausage or do I want to go the vegetable route? With all the confusion, the YouTube gods have had enough and are now jumping in to help. YouTube monetization, as we know, it is undergoing a significant paradigm shift. Instead of creators juggling with the dilemma of which formats to enable or disable, YouTube will be wearing the decision-making cap. At first glance, I'm a little nervous because I got used to the old model and like the control. However, the silver lining is the promise of a system driven by data, efficiency, and most importantly, viewer experience and hopefully more money for all of us. YouTube's like, sit back, relax, we got this. They're going to take charge, deciding which ads fit best for which videos. It's like handing over the aux cord and trusting the DJ to play the bops. So here's the deets. Every viewer on YouTube is unique. Some viewers are cool with ads and some not so much. YouTube's algorithm figure out what works best for whom. It's all about making sure everyone's having a good time YouTubing. For creators, it takes away the stress of second guessing ad preferences. For viewers, it ensures a more enjoyable and personalized viewing experience. And for advertisers, it ensures that their ads are viewed by a more receptive audience. All of that sounds good, but how will this impact my ability to make money on YouTube? That's the question for all of us who use YouTube as a source of income. The good news is that the initial data is encouraging. Creators who participated in the preliminary testing phase reported a surge in their revenues by over 5%. This means that even though the control of ad selection is shifting away from creators, the revenue potential is amplified. By letting YouTube's powerful and intelligent algorithms take the lead, creators can potentially reap greater financial benefits without compromising viewer engagement. While the changes to long-form video monetization are exciting, there's another area of content that's undergoing a revamp, and that is live streams. The unpredictability and real-time nature of live streams have always posed challenges for effective monetization. However, YouTube's new approach promises flexibility and autonomy. With the new system, creators can choose the frequency of mid-roll ads. These ads can be set to appear at regular intervals, such as every 6, 12, 18, 24, or 30 minutes. If, however, creators trust YouTube's judgment, they can delegate this decision to the platform. Additionally, YouTube is introducing a feature that's bound to be a favorite among live streamers, the insert ads as button. This feature is a lifesaver during those unforeseen breaks or interruptions. With a simple press, an ad gets displayed, giving the creator a momentary respite without any dead air for the viewers. Okay, time to wrap this up. Changes are coming and there's nothing us channel owners can do about it. Those who adapt and embrace the change will continue to prosper. As for those that don't, we'll leave that to the YouTube gods. While the initial reactions might be mixed, given the promise of increased revenues, enhanced viewer experiences, and simplified decision-making, the future looks promising. So whether you're a budding YouTuber or a seasoned content creator, brace yourself for this exciting new chapter. Keep creating, keep vibing, and let's roll with these cool new changes together. As always, like, share, comment, and subscribe to stay updated on all things Money Swim. To all YouTube channel owners, you subscribe and I will make sure to subscribe to your channel. Yeah, we're all trying to get to a place where YouTube can replace our 9 to 5. Until then, keep grinding. Peace out.